So next we're going to go over consciousness. And so stages, we have different stages of consciousness, obviously, right? When we're alert, when we're sleeping, when we're dreaming, and then we have different altered stages. So we have something called non-REM sleep. So non-REM sleep is going to be um, stage 1 to 4, and then your REM sleep is going to just be dreaming. It takes 90 minutes to have a full cycle. Usually people average about 4 to 6 of these per night. Okay. And then some hormones are going to be melatonin, which puts you to sleep, and then cortisol, which wakes you up. So now we're going to go over language, and let's go ahead and go through our components of language, shall we? So I always remember the first one is like phonics. Okay, so this is just gonna tell you, deals with the sound of the word itself. Okay, um, morphology over here. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but this is actually gonna be the structure of the word itself. So how do we put the word together, and then the different components of the word. Syntax is gonna examine your sentence structure. Semantics is gonna focus on the actual meaning of the word, and then pragmatics are gonna consider the context. So this is where like this is gonna be, you know how sometimes you may say something that somebody may not like, but in the context you didn't mean it that way. So this is what takes that into consideration. So we need to go through the theories, and these are very important. So your native theory is just gonna be mean that you're just born with language, like we're born to learn language with language, like we have the innate ability for it. Learning, which is taught by Skinner, is he's pretty much saying that we were our language comes from interaction with the outside world. Your interactionist theory is going to be a mix of both. Okay, and then your Wolfram hypothesis is just going to say language shapes thought. Okay, so those are your theories, and this is pretty much it for language. Very thorough, all you need to know. So if anything didn't make sense, please let me know. And yeah, see you guys in motivation, emotion, and stress.